Hey everybody, welcome back to Frank's Homestead. So, I've got a little project I'm doing, and this is it. It's a 1971 single wide that I picked up for free, and it's a little rough because it's older, but it's been under this snow roof pretty much its entire life. So, structural integrity wise, it's pretty doggone good shape. The axles and everything else under it are in good shape, wheels, the whole 9 yards. And all I did is wheel and deal with the guy and said I could have it. Just got to tear it all down and then I'll get it moved. It is rough inside. Pretty much needs a brand new kitchen, cabinets, needs gutted, just redone. And other than that, I think I can do something with it. So it's been sitting for quite some time empty, vacant. And I think that, like I said, just a little bit of work, I think I can fix her up. Don't think it really ever had any smokers in it or anything else. But the idea is that maybe I can turn around with a little bit of money into it. I can turn around and flip it. So that's gonna be my next project. We'll see how this goes.